All right, mates, let's be honest, we've all been there. That sluggish, can't be bothered feeling. You know, the one where even the thought of climbing a flight of stairs makes you want to crawl back into bed? It's like your get up and go got up and went. But what if I told you a lot of it could be down to your gut? Don't believe me? Well, your gut is like this bustling metropolis, teeming with trillions of bacteria, and just like any city, it needs a good balance to thrive. When things go haywire in your gut, it can affect everything from your energy levels to your mood. Bloating, gas, brain fog, you name it, a wonky gut might be the culprit. But fear not, my friends, because there's a simple, delicious solution. Fermented foods! Now, before you wrinkle your nose and think fermented, sounds a bit dodgy, Jamie, let me tell you, these little beauties are packed with good bacteria, the kind your gut absolutely loves. Think of them as tiny superheroes swooping in to restore balance and bring your gut back to its happy place. From tangy sauerkraut to fizzy kombucha and creamy kefir, fermented foods are like a party in your mouth and your gut. They're bursting with flavor and goodness, ready to give your digestive system the boost it needs. But hold your horses, champ. Don't go guzzling gallons of kombucha just yet. Like with any good thing, starting slow and steady is key. Listen, I get it. You're eager to feel the magic of fermented foods, but bombarding your gut with a tsunami of good bacteria is like inviting your mates over for a party and then blasting heavy metal at full volume. It's too much, too soon. Start with small portions of fermented foods and gradually increase them as your gut adapts. A spoonful of sauerkraut with your dinner, a small glass of kefir with breakfast. These are all great ways to dip your toes into the wonderful world of fermentation. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a happy, healthy gut. Section 4, Tip 2, variety is the spice of life and gut health. Now, you wouldn't eat the same thing for breakfast, lunch and dinner every single day, would you? Your taste buds would stage a revolt. Well, your gut feels the same way about fermented foods. Don't be afraid to mix things up. Kimchi, yogurt, kombucha, sauerkraut. The world is your oyster, or should I say, your fermented feast. Each fermented food comes with its unique set of good bacteria, so the more diverse your diet, the happier your gut will be. Section 5, Tip 3, get creative in the kitchen. Listen, I know what you're thinking. Jamie, I love the idea of fermented foods, but I'm not exactly a whiz in the kitchen. Fear not, my friend. Incorporating these gut-friendly goodies into your diet doesn't have to be a culinary marathon. Think of it as a sprinkle of magic here and there. Add a dollop of yogurt to your morning granola. Top your salad with a spoonful of kimchi, or jazz up your sandwiches with a smear of sauerkraut. Get adventurous, experiment with different flavors and combinations. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to transform your everyday meals into gut-loving masterpieces. Section 6. Listen to your gut, it's talking to you. Remember, your gut is your friend, and like any good friend, it'll tell you what it needs if you listen closely. Pay attention to how your body feels after eating fermented foods. Start slow, diversify your choices, and get creative in the kitchen. And most importantly, have fun with it. Fermented foods are not just good for your gut, they're an adventure for your taste buds. So go forth, my friends, and embrace the wonderful world of fermentation. Your gut will thank you for it.